Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today we're going to be trying on some new makeup and doing a little get ready with me. So just trying a few new products out and seeing how I like them. So if you want to see what I'm trying out and how I got this look, just keep watching. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure that you take a moment and hit that subscribe button. Also feel free to give the video a thumbs up as well. So without further ado, let's get started. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today I am going to be doing a get ready with me, but I'm going to be trying out a few new products. So I thought I would just kind of stop along the way and show you everything that is going to be new that I'm trying out. The first one, I've gone ahead and I've done my foundation and my concealer underneath. I've also powdered underneath my eyes, but for the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with the Pretty Vulgar The Powder Room. This is a matte translucent powder, so we're going to try that all over the face. I'm going to go in very lightly though, because the foundation that I'm trying out right now, if you missed Thursday's video, you will have missed me using this foundation. You don't need a lot because of the foundation I'm wearing. It dried down pretty good on its own, but I just want to go in and lightly set it. Now the Pretty Vulgar did come with a little pink puff, you know, those little furry things that you're supposed to use. Puff pad, what are they called? I can't think of the name of them right now. Anyway, I don't use those. Don't feel like I get as good of control. And they tend to make a mess. Okay. Wow, that looks really, really nice. It does not look drying at all, even though it's a matte powder. So far so good with this. The next products are going to be normal ones for me. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my bronzer, but I'll be back for blush. All right, I am back, and now we're going to move on to blush. Like I said, I finally picked up one of the Hourglass Ambient blushes, and this is the Luminous Flush one. I only got the mini because I have so many blushes that I know I would never get through this entire one. So that is what it looks like. And it does have a nice little mirror, little mirror. You wouldn't be able to use it. So we're going to try this out today. Start to cut back on my bronzer now because fall's hitting us. Oh my gosh, you guys, today's the day. This is Thursday, so this is when the hurricane is hitting. I am praying for all of you that I hope that everybody stays safe and has evacuated the areas that need to be evacuated. And just remember, things can be replaced, people can't, so please stay safe. I'm excited because we've really got some rain here in Oregon, which is going to be a great help with all the fires that we've had. And of course, tomorrow's the day we're getting our new air conditioner unit and furnace put in. So we've gone all winter without, or summer I should say, without an air conditioner because we wanted to wait until we could get both of them. And I'm going in with highlighter right now. I'm just using the Smashbox Spotlight Palette in Pearl. It's my favorite one because it does not emphasize my texture at all, and it's nice and subtle. All right, let's move on to the eyes, and I'm going to try out a new brow product today. Where is it? Jeez. So this is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Tint Pen. And it's one of those ones that has the 3 little spikes at the end. Here we go. There, I think you can see it better there. So what you do is you just do a little motion like that. That's going to be hard to see because I've got the blonde color. Yeah, it's not going to show up very good. You know what? I got another one from Panda Yan. It's one I picked up off of Wish. Let's see what that color is. Same thing. Well, I'm going to zoom in as best I can for my brows, and we'll see if you're able to see this. So hold on just a second. How do they do this? Really, who can read that? Can you read that? Well, it's blurry right now. Can you read that? Seriously. To use, angle the micro comb tip across your brow and draw hair-like strokes from anchor to tail. Repeat as desired. Okay, that part I already knew. So, from what I've seen, you're supposed to hold it so the longer end is towards the front. And I'm going to use my big mirror here so I can see. I'm getting closer for you guys. It's doing a pretty good job. Now you have to turn. There we go. This is interesting, guys. You can really get a sharp, precise line with this. It's interesting. Oh, that's blonde. This is the color blonde I'm using, so that seems really dark. You can see the hairs. It's interesting. I mean, it really does look like it's being like microbladed almost. Shoot. Okay, that's the good thing, is it wipes off easily if you make a mistake. It's really good to get those inner little hairs at the beginning of your brow. So they look a little too perfect though. So I think what I'll do is, let's go in with the spoolie and see if we can kind of soften them up a little bit. I wonder how long this pen would actually last, because I don't understand how it gets the fluid to it, because it doesn't say to shake it up or anything. So I'll have to play around with this a little more and see how it works out. But I like the looks of it. I really do. Alright guys, I picked up two different eyeshadow palettes that we're going to be working with. The first one is by ColourPop. It's the Fortune palette. And 16 shades in there. Back up a little bit so you can see them all. And they do have names on them, which is nice. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them are shimmers. And then I picked up from Line Crime the original Venus palette. I have the Venus too, but this one has just 8 shades in it. And these are all matte. I take that back. I think there's 2 that appear to be shimmers in there. So good thing I tested them, because that one I was going to go all over my lid with. Alright, unfortunately both of the light shades in these palettes have a shimmer to them, and I don't want to get that all over my whole eye look. So I'm going to go in with this shade here called Ben. And we'll see if that works as, ooh. You guys can see that or not. It's getting a lot of kickback on it. Okay, is it me or my eyebrows getting darker as the longer I sit here? It's weird. It's like it's oxidizing. It did. My eyebrows were not that dark. Guys, this is blonde. Keep in mind, that's blonde. That's blending out really nice. I think what I'm going to do next is go into this color here called Wiser. And I'm going to take that into my crease. Interesting. It's coming off a little more of a pinky orange, like peachy shade. I thought it was going to be more of a tan. Using the same brush, but I'm going to clean it off on my little sponge thingy there. Let's go into the Venus palette. And there's this color here called Creation, right down there. I'm going to go a little deeper into the crease with that. Very lightly. Till I know how a eyeshadow works. I always go in very lightly. I'd rather build up than get way too much on to begin with. I'm going to take this color right here called Oracle. Right there. So that one's called Oracle, and I'm going to put that on my lid. And I'm going to borrow the mirror from the Lime Crime one. And then this one's really calling to me. I swatched it because I was trying to see what it looked like. It's called Miser. And let's focus in on that as much as we can because it's really it's like a duochrome color. So I'm going to take that on the outer third of my eye. This way. Quite picking up. Let's try some sweating the brush. Put a little bit of MAC spray on there. Interesting looking. It's got like almost like a pink with gold reflex and lavender in there too. A little bit of everything. All right, so let's work on the under eye now. I'm going to take this color out of the Venus palette called Rebirth, which is this one right there. And I'm going to smudge that under my eye. All right, let's get a little bit more of a pop to that. I'm going to take this color called Trove right there. And I'm going to take that just right along my lash line. Take that just a little bit up on the lid. Make my little V. All right, it's time for some mascara, and let me go put that on, and I'll be back to do some lips. All right, my mascara is on, and I used my Lancome Hypnose Drama. I love this stuff. I just went in with one coat. And then for my lipstick today, I got BoxyCharm yesterday, and I got Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick, and I got the color Trendsetter, which is pretty cool because I happen to have her pencil lip liner in that color. So I would give it a try today. Might be a little dark for this look, but I'll see if I can lighten it up a little bit. I love her lip crayons. They're so good. Or lip liners. Why do I want to call it a crayon? It looks really like a dark brown. It doesn't look like it's going to match the lip liner, but we'll see. No. Not even close. You notice I only had to dip that once though, so that was nice. Gonna let that dry a little bit. It's not too bad because I'm going to go over the top of that with the lip gloss. So let me let that dry, and then I will be right back. We'll put some lip gloss on and call it a day. All right, guys, I'm back, and I tell you, I like everything a lot that I have on my face. For the Hourglass blush, I really like this, and now that I know why I like them and can afford them with the little ones like this, I'm going to pick up a couple other colors as well. I really like the eyeshadow palettes too. They were both really easy to blend, had some fun colors in them. They'll be great shades to go into the fall months with as well. The only downfall, and this happens to a lot of palettes out there, is they just don't have a good base color to go all over the lid with. So that's something I personally like to do. But as you can see, it worked out anyway without going in and doing that. So those worked out really good. I really like the powder too. That looks so unpowdery. Is that a good word? I don't know. I really like the way that turned out. If you missed my video, I don't know if I'm going to get that up late Thursday night or Friday. You got to go watch it because I love, 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 love this foundation, and it's very inexpensive as well. So I think, oh, the brows. Ooh, guys, they've definitely oxidized a lot. So if you were brunette, this would be a good shade for you. And it's blonde. And far as the lipstick goes, I really like this shade. Again, it's going to be a great one to go into the fall months with. So I think this one's definitely a keeper. They're so comfortable and very long lasting for me. They don't dry. They're not sticky at all. So they're just very, very comfortable to wear. And as you saw, I only had to go in once to do my entire lips. So I didn't have to keep dipping back into that either. So I think that wraps everything up, you guys. Again, if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure that you go in and do that. Give it a thumbs up as well. Feel free to leave any comments, questions, anything like that down below. And until next time, you guys, I love you all. Bye-bye.